Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, the number one place for all things beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. What's up, everyone? It's your girl, Lady M, and today I'm going to be coming at you with my July base Boxycharm box unboxing. Yes, I got this a couple days ago, and I could not wait to see what I got. Is this going to be a hit, or is this going to be a miss? Because my June box was definitely a hit. So let me see if Boxycharm is going to disappoint me yet again this month, or is Boxycharm coming through with another lit box? So that's what we're going to talk about in today's video. So if you're interested in seeing what's in this box, then keep on watching. All right, I'm shaky. It sounds like it's in, like nothing is moving around. So I'm just going to take my knife here and I just opened it up. So let's take a look together on what's in this box. So this is the July base box. So if you're new here, then I do my Boxycharm unboxings. I usually get 2 boxes. I get a premium and I also subscribe to the base box. The base box you get pretty much every month except for the months that you get the premium box. I will be sure to list all the details about Boxycharm in my description box. So if you're interested in signing up, I'll also have a referral link there for you that you can click on to sign up for Boxycharm. Now, is Boxycharm still worth it? Well, boxes like this help us to decide if it's something that you should subscribe to or nah. So you're basically getting a variation box. Like they have like a wide, selection of variations, and you never know which variation it is that you're gonna get. Either it's gonna be a lit box or it's gonna be a box, like not it, okay? So let's go ahead and dive in. Also, I will be sure to let you guys know what is the value of this box. It will be right here on the screen so you guys can check out what my total value of this box is. So without any further ado, let's look here and see. So this Boxycharm is called Status is, I don't know if it's ooh or 000. You be the judge and you decide, as you can see right there. So that is what this box is. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products in this box. So let's go ahead and jump in and let's see what's the first thing that I am going to grab here. So this is from Jekka Black. I never heard of this brand before. So this is probably something that's new to Boxycharm. If I can get it to focus. Yeah, it's not gonna cooperate today, guys. So it's called, you can see the link right there. It says JB. I don't know what that is. But it's supposed to be I don't know if you say it right. Jekka Blake. Glow Drops Highlighting Primer for Face, vegan friendly, cruelty free, and the shade is called Rose Pearl. So this is a prep and brighten your complexion with a healthy natural glow. It says to apply all over face using your fingertips before your base. Glow drops can be worn alone or as a buildable light highlight when completing your makeup look, and this retails for a whopping $20. So the packaging isn't so bad. It's this plastic like squeeze tube right here, and it has the name Jack. I'm trying to get it to zoom. There we go. And it has the name Jack Black on there. It says, be fearless, you look fabulous, highlighting primer for the face. It's vegan and it's cruelty free. Glow drops prep and brighten your complexion with a healthy natural look. I already said that. So yeah, interesting. I like the packaging that is just like this nice squeeze tube. Have you guys heard of this brand before? It's my first time ever hearing of this brand. All right, so let me start from the top. It's the first thing I have is not that. It's this right here. No? Who? Maybe this is it. Ah, this is it. My bad. So this is from Oop, and it's called Stack the Odds. This is a best-selling 3-in-1 stackable compact that packs a cream, blush, bronzer, and highlights for a complete and natural look. The creamy formula is blendable, buildable, and infused with moisturizing ingredients like jojoba and sunflower seed oil for a natural glow. It says apply directly with the fingers anytime, anywhere, or with a makeup brush for a more dramatic effect. It's travel friendly in a lightweight compact. The cream formula doesn't break like traditional powder products. Like, you know, because I be dropping stuff all the time and I be scared that I'm gonna drop and my product is gonna crumble, especially if it's something that I really, really love. Okay, so this retails for $38. So yeah, never heard of this brand before. So when you look at it, it has the saying that says stack the odds on the top, and it says multi-use face stacker, 3 cream shades to play. So you're gonna have your highlight and your blush as well as your contour product. And it has the name Alley-Oop, and I guess the color is gonna be this kind of color here because it says cocktail hour. That's what it's called, cocktail hour. My camera is not cooperating today because I am not getting that zoom so I can show you guys. How rude. All right, so just open this up. So this is reminding me of the Kaja. I think it's called Kaja. Yeah, the bento box from Kaja, because this is exactly what those look like. The only thing is this just opens out to the side. So the Kaja, you kind of have to, oh, how neat. But how do I get the other one open? Aha. Aha. And then, okay. So this is what it looks like, cocktail hour. See, this is supposed to be the bronzer, then you have the blush, and then you have the highlight. Now, this is a pretty dope concept for real. Like I said, I have the Kaja one. I'm trying to reach for it here. This is a favorite of mine. I love it. Again, same concept. There's a contour shade, a highlight shade, and a blush shade. And I love that. I use that all the time. That's in my travel case, and when I travel, that's usually what I take. Now, my only thing is this contour shade, I don't know how it will work, but the thing of it being a cream product is that it's buildable. So it's buildable, and then you're also gonna go on top with a powder. So I'm gonna be trying that out for sure, because that is very unique and different. So the next product I have here is from Kate Somerville. It's the Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. This is another, I've used this in the past before. It was okay. So I probably will just give this away to someone. This is a clinically tested, safe for sensitive skin, and gentle enough for all skin types. This nourishing cream is clinically formulated with moisture boosting, visible redness reducing ingredients known to soothe dry, tight skin, inspired by the Relief founder Kate experienced as a child when goat's milk helped alleviate her painful eczema. So that's the one thing about this line. This line is geared towards more sensitive type of skin. Very hydrating, very soothing. I remember I used to use the cleanser And the cleanser was like one of my favorites because it was so gentle, and I would just kind of use that to help remove my makeup. And then there's another moisturizer as well. So this is definitely a good product that's worth trying out. This is the Kate packaging right there. It's blue, and it just has like the logo Kate Somerville on there. Now this retails for $76. So this is probably the most expensive thing that I have in my box is this. So again, it says, growing up with eczema, my mom would put goat's milk in my bath. Use this cream daily to help replenish and nourish skin. And yeah, so that's the third product. The next thing I have here is from the Beauty Crop. And this is a liquid eyeshadow duo. It's a dual-ended, long-wearing liquid eyeshadow. The color is pretty nice. It's like bronzy kind of color. On one side is a creamy velvet pigmented matte formula, and the other side is a dazzling liquid glittery formula. They are easy to blend and can be layered, mixed, and matched. A double dose of fun. How cute is this? I kind of like the colors. I've never, again, another brand that's new to me, never heard of them before. And this retails for $18. Okay. So last and not least, I think this is a repeat. This is the oh my God. This is Natasha Denona Cupid eyeshadow palette. I do think this is a repeat. I think I have this already, so I will definitely be giving this away. This is a Boxycharm exclusive, so this is not something that you can go and buy in the store or on Natasha's website. You can only get this at Boxycharm. So this is with 3 velvety mattes and 2 dazzling metallics. The versatile 5-pan Cupid palette is all you need to create a range of romantic looks from flirty to fierce, featuring rich coppery browns, bright champagne pinks, and luscious burgundy corals. All 5 shades are velvety, hydrating, and effortless to layer. So this is what the palette looks like. 5 shades, and yeah, that's what we're working with here. This looks kind of white on screen, but it's not white. It's just like a champagne kind of color, this one. Wait, yeah, my hand is like over it. This one right here. As I come closer, you can kind of see these are the 2 lightest shades in the palette. So this does retail for $48, and I think this is a repeat because I think I received this in another box this year, if I may add, like a couple boxes ago. If I find that, I will definitely link it in the cards above. So we have come to the end of this unboxing. I went through all 5 products, and I would say this didn't really wow me. It's just meh. It's just okay. Like, it's just a basic box. Okay. I do like that I could probably do, like, literally I have a nice palette, I have some glow drops, I have a moisturizer, and definitely the most intriguing thing in here is the stacks, the 3-in-1 stackable. Again, it's something that I will try because I showed you the Kaja, so that is pretty dope. I mean, the only thing that I'm probably not feeling is this liquid eyeshadow, just because I don't really like that. The colors are beautiful, so if you're like my skin tone or darker, these are gonna look amazing on you. So I do like that. As far as customizability of this box, I feel like everything that I receive would work on my skin tone. So I do give them thumbs up for that they got the customization right, as far as I'm not gonna be walking around looking cray-cray with some of these color on my face. So I give them kudos for that. The box is okay. It's just a regular box, nothing too crazy. I mean, I do feel like, why repeat something that you already gave before? Because now I have 2 of these. So definitely I'm gonna be doing a giveaway, and I will just give away one of those palettes. I haven't used them, so yeah. Let me know in the comments, did you get your box? What are your thoughts on your base box? What do you think about the box that I received? Let me know. You may think this is a good box. You know, let me know what you think about my box. And also, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for joining me in today's video. Please, if you do like this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. That will be amazing. And also, guys, if you aren't subscribed, then take the time to hit the subscribe button. Until then, I will catch you in the next video. Bye.